I am here at Mobile Malta in St. Julian's, and you can get, look at this, you can get like Apple Mac Airbook for $699, 2019, and all different kinds of laptops and mobile phones over here as well. And we are in St. Julian's, and I came often here during my stay because the owner, his name is Anton. Hello Anton.
Hi.
How long have you been in Malta, Anton?
I live here for like 12 years now.
12 years, and you like it?
Yeah, very much.
What is so special about Malta?
I always say there is no perfect place to live, so it has their advantages and disadvantages as well, but obviously there is the sea, it's a small island, everything is close to each other, so very easy to get from A to B, and people are nice here. It's a nice island. Yeah,
like you, very nice. I always can come and you give me good advice. Tell me, what do you do? What do you offer as a service here in your Mobile Malta shop?
You can basically, I sell a lot of accessories for tourists. It's very helpful. I fix phones as well and tablets. We have also another shop, a laptop shop, where we sell and service laptops as well. So
that's fantastic.
Quite a lot of things.
So you come to St. Julian's, and which is the bus stop, or where you're best located, that they can see how the location is?
Basically, there is a bus stop called Olivier. It's between Baluta Bay and Spinola Bay, like halfway through, which is very popular, and the traffic it's quite a lot. So
yeah, fantastic. So you can come with the bus, with the car. And
there is a supermarket in the building, so you can also park there. It's
fantastic!
Nice
yeah, that's fantastic. A Welby supermarket. Yeah, it's fantastic. And look, he has so many products. It's really, really fantastic. I got a perfect help, a perfect service here, and you can see mobile phones, new and used, and second hand as well. And Anton will help you with all your questions about your computer, mobile phone, and to get like a nice laptop or a new or used mobile phone. And Anton, what is so special about Malta?
Special?
Where should people go and visit if they come here?
You can find a lot of history, for example, Valletta and the old capital, and Dina is also very nice. So if you want to go for a walk in a very nice city, you can go there, or just a kilometer away you can find the nicest beach with sand and rocks. So you can find everything in like very close, and that's why I think it's
and easy accessible.
Have a full week.
Yeah.
You can mix, like you go to the beach one day, next day you go to a nice city, very nice restaurants. I can recommend. So because there are places you go, let's say to Croatia, there is the sea, but you have to drive like 100 kilometers to find a city which one is like historical and stuff. But here you can find everything in like a few minutes away, and you can have all the experience.
And if you have a problem with the mobile phone, come to Anton in Mobile Malta in St. Julian's,
If you go to Comino, your phone gets wet, I can help you, no problem.
Wow, thank you so much, Anton.